friends, how are you all doing? Welcome to this video. Glad you're here. I love to take care of my skin, like maintaining it fresh, maintaining it young, rejuvenated, hydrated. Like, I'm pretty sure there's so many people out there, especially like nowadays, even men are taking better care of their skin, right? So I actually want to talk to you guys about PrimeBiome, which is a supplement that can help you regulate your gut, but at the same time, it's helping you to also like heal your skin, get rid of dark spots, fine lines of wrinkles, rejuvenate it, bring back like that moisture, and just like maintain a skin that's really healthy, really fresh, and has like that elasticity to it, you know? So PrimeBiome is incredible, and it's actually by restoring your gut that you're going to have beautiful skin. So no matter like how many skin cares you have, no matter what you do, just like on the surface, it needs to come from the inside out, all right? So I left for you PrimeBiome's official webpage right here below this video. If you would like to purchase it, learn more about it, check it out, make sure you pop over there after this video. Now, cool thing about PrimeBiome is its ingredients. They decided to create something purely natural, so no one has to face side effects, so no one has to face like any issues with it, you know? Like, this is a formula that does not have GMOs, it does not have contraindications. We're talking about strictly natural ingredients like lactobacillus, we're talking about dandelion, lemon balm, prebiotics as well, inulin, and vitamins. So on the official webpage, you actually have like the full list of these ingredients, you know, and they are purely natural. But that's the beauty of PrimeBiome. Like, it helps you to regulate your gut. So it helps you fix IRS, it helps you fix bloating, it helps you to just have everything flowing there, you know? And the minute your gut is actually, let's say, happy, your skin is also flourishing. So your skin becomes brighter, it becomes more vibrant, and you realize also that you have this surge in energy levels. So PrimeBiome, it has lots of key benefits. It brings lots of good things to the table. However, once you are taking PrimeBiome, you just need to remember that if you want to get results, if you want to see the magic happen, you have to take it very seriously. You cannot forget about taking a gummy each and every day. And yes, before I forget, they are gummies, guys. It's one gummy a day. These are delicious gummies that are, you know, it has this fruity flavors to it. There's so many flavors for you to choose from. And it's like a fun thing to add to your daily routine, you know? You could do like a 3 months treatment with it, or you can do a 6 months treatment. You know, you choose whichever one you want to do. And if you don't like it, there's a money back guarantee that comes along with it. So if you're ready to have like that glow restored, to have a gut that's actually working better, I think you should definitely give PrimeBiome a shot, because you're going to get great results out of this, okay? Pop over to that link to learn more. Thanks for watching, friends. I'll see you next time. Bye.